Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to merge cells in Smartsheet. If you've ever found yourself working in Smartsheet, you might have noticed that it lacks a built-in merge cell feature, unlike other spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets. This can be a bit surprising if you're accustomed to those platforms, but don't worry, we're here to help you achieve that neat merge look using some clever tricks. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to tidy up your sheets and present your data in a cleaner, more readable manner, all without the need for a merge button. Let's get started by addressing the fundamental point. Smartsheet does not currently offer a direct merge feature. This might seem limiting, but there are effective workarounds that can give you almost the same result. Let me guide you through each of these methods step by step, so you can make the most of your Smartsheet experience. To begin with, if your main goal is to have your text fit nicely across columns, the simplest solution is to adjust the size of your columns. Imagine this as stretching out a garment to make it fit better. Simply hover your mouse over the line between two column headers, then click and drag to resize. Although you're not technically merging the cells, you're creating more space for your data to breathe. For example, if you have a project name that's spilling into the next column, just drag the divider to give your text all the room it needs. It's a straightforward step, but incredibly effective for keeping your sheet organized and visually appealing. However, there are situations where resizing alone might not suffice, particularly if you're dealing with multiple lines of information in one cell. This is where text wrapping comes to your rescue. Enabling wrapping allows Smartsheet to automatically adjust text that doesn't fit within the cell's width, moving it to the next line within the same cell. To activate text wrapping, look for the formatting toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on the wrapping icon, which resembles a curved arrow or a box with lines inside. Think of this as folding a long letter to fit inside an envelope. While you're not expanding outward, you're letting your content settle in vertically. This technique is especially useful for notes, comments, or addresses where you need every word to be visible without excessive horizontal scrolling. Now, let's talk about what to do if you want to combine the content from two different cells, such as a first name in one cell and a last name in the adjacent cell. Although there's no merge button, you can create the appearance of merged cells by using a simple formula. Click into a blank cell where you'd like the combined text to appear. Begin by typing an equal sign, then click on the first cell you want to combine, followed by a plus sign, and then click on the second cell. For instance, if you want to join the contents of cell A2 and B2, your formula will look like this, equals A2 plus B2. Press enter, and Smartsheet will display the contents as if they were merged, which is incredibly handy for creating labels, full names, or any other scenario where you need combined information for reports. However, you might notice that the text can sometimes run together without spaces. If you want a space between the two pieces of information, such as to display John Smith instead of John Smith, you can easily adjust your formula. Start with the equal sign, click your first cell, add a plus sign, then type a space inside quotation marks. So your formula would be equals A2 plus space, in quotes, plus B2. This tells Smartsheet to insert a space character between the contents of those two cells. When you press enter, you'll see the information displayed in a clean, well-formatted manner. And there you have it. Even though Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in merge button, these simple tips can help you manage your data like a pro and achieve an almost identical effect. I encourage you to try these methods on your own sheets. With a little practice, you'll become more comfortable and efficient in no time. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to merge cells in Smartsheet. If you want more videos like how to merge cells in Smartsheet, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.